Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with a couple of things. So this video is basically showing you how I have, laid down the process to create ebooks, as fast as possible, that look good, that have your personality, your writing style, but also your design as well. So let's go ahead and get things rolling. What you need is very, very simple. You need one LLM, can be Claude, Gemini, whatever you use, ChatGPT. And the next thing is going to be, well, that's it. But I'm going to be using VS Code to organize everything, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the ebook writing prompt, then how to grab that and add to the Claude project, and then how to analyze it and create a full ebook. Now, I'm not going to be providing the specific prompts because those are fully available inside the AI Funnelpreneur. But I'm going to share with you the process, what I do, what to have in mind. So if you want to create yours from here, you will be able to create your own version. So the very first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I have something around avatars. Okay. So if you have ever bought something from any product from me in the past year or so, you know that I do have a prompt for to create a very detailed avatar. So this is it. I start from here, I copy the full thing, then I paste it into the ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever, and then I receive a very, very, very detailed avatar. Now the next thing is going to be, and by the way, this one here, this one is already an avatar build. Okay, this is not the prompt. This is already an avatar build, and I go through everything from the foundation psychology, decision-making psychology, and all that kind of stuff. All right. So this is actually for the System.io users, and I have for funnel builders, and I have for coaches, and I have for a lot of different things, because I create. These are like the foundations of everything. Now after that, I do have my ebook prompts that, and this is a prompt by the way, that creates the entire ebook for me. So the only thing I need to do is I need to provide the topic, the reader profile, and if I do want it, I can have something right here to create a more detailed version. All right. So far what we have: customer avatar, very important. Create your own customer avatar. If you want my profiles and my prompts, you can get access to them in the AI Funnelpreneur. Then the next thing is create your ebook. So you can ask Claude to create your ebook, or you can follow these prompts if you are an AI Funnelpreneur member. And then from there, we have the two things that we need. The next thing is we need to have Claude. In this specific case, I have VS Code because that helps me organize everything and duplicate it. And I do have two very important things. I have my brand voice MD file, and I have my design token MD file. Because these two are going to be responsible to generate, something like this. Let me see, where is it? I think it's it. So something like this consistently for all the topics that I want to do. Okay? Now, maybe I'll just grab an example or something. Let's see. I create an example right now during the video maybe. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to open Claude. Now here for Claude, I'm going to do create a customer avatar detailed for, and I say people that buy, I don't know, shaving material, razor blades, etc. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit send. I'm using Sonnet 4.6, you don't need more than that. 4.8 is actually good. It's very good, but spends more, you don't really need that. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter so that it creates an avatar, and then I'll come back in just a little bit. Alright, so then you have something like this. The next part is going to be creating, either a product or something like that, but I'm going to create an ebook. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it there. And I'm going to say, write an ebook for anyone that is looking to buy razor blades, like shaving equipment, and they don't know are the most important topics around it. At the end of the day, those who read this ebook will become masters in making a decision on what shaving equipment they will need to buy for various occasions. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and send enter. Sonnet 4.6, same thing. You're just going to go ahead and create the ebook. Now, if you want to use your own prompt, I would make sure that you would create something that gives me the chapters. Start with the goal, continue with the chapters, then give me one chapter at a time. Make sure that you use accessible language that resonates with my target audience. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait for the result. All right, and from here, it basically created the entire thing, but we don't like the design, we don't want this style, so what we're gonna do is gonna download it. Now, once we download it, we have the complete shading guide and all that stuff, right? So all we need to do is going to this profile right here, we just upload it, and I'll go to downloads and upload it here. And that's a prototype, so .x. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to upload it to, actually, to be honest, we can just dock this, right? Can we export it to PDF? Let me just go ahead and Google Drive it real quick. So because usually I don't do this part this way, I just skip this process. I usually don't have to download it, but there you go. PDF, we got it, okay? So create this ebook, but make sure you run the brand voice and the design tokens file, because I will need this to be in written in my style and suitable for my brand. And then you can send it this way. You're gonna do that. If you want to do it more steps, you can go ahead and say, give me the steps, analyze it, give me the steps you found it, and then you can go ahead and hit OK. But I'm gonna skip that as well, so this video is a little bit more short. So let's go ahead, hit enter. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a few minutes. I'm gonna come back when it's done. All right, and after a while, he created exactly everything as I guided him. So there's the entire process, the big four, the cartridge razors, safety razors, straight razors, there's electric razors, blades and refills. He has an entire ebook on that kind of stuff. So from here, you can go ahead and customize it even further. You can add images if you want. You can do whatever you'd like. So right now, it's done. It took me around probably 20 minutes, 24 minutes. It took me around 24 minutes. So that's it. Enjoy. If you'd like to get the full prompts and tutorials, join the AI Entrepreneur. If you want to get the prompts that I use right here, where is it? If you want to get these specific prompts, let me know, comment below, and I'll send these prompts. They do a pretty good job. Yeah, cheers. I'll see you in the next one.